Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys how to roast the most crispy and crunchy roasted potatoes ever. Here is how we do it. To start, trim off the ends of the potatoes, then cut the potatoes into thin 1/4 inch slices. Do not discard those potato ends. You can use them as fries or use them in soups and stews. Now place the cut potatoes into a bowl, then season with salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, crushed red pepper, and olive oil, then toss everything together. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, then transfer the potatoes to a greased baking sheet. Make sure that you place them in a single layer. Bake the potatoes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes without moving them. After 25 minutes, give them a flip using tongs, spatula, or your fingers. Once you're done flipping the potatoes, cook them for another 5 minutes until they are deeply brown and crispy all over. After 5 minutes, pull out the potatoes. Guys, look how they look amazing. So crispy and golden on the outside. These roasted potatoes are a wonderful addition to most dinners. You can serve them with a drizzle of green goddess or your favorite sauce. I serve mine with ketchup. We're gonna finish them off with parsley. Then time for taste test. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.